Hi guys, it's Chanel again. Welcome back to my channel. Before I get started, don't forget to check out my recent video right up here. I am partnered with Electric Styles and they have some great fashionable face masks for you guys to keep you safe as well as looking good. And I'm not here to take your money. I want you saving it. So definitely check out the promotional code down below to save you 15% off. But today we're doing some product reviews on phone soap, so just stay tuned.
Hey, feel I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up. Feel I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up.
So I recently got a new tech item into my life, and this is due to a good friend of mine, because me personally, I would have never gone out and just like sought this out to buy it, but she's really into that whole tech vibe world. And of course, with the Rona out there and germs just running galore trying to take us all out, she got me the Phone Soap 3.0. So I wanted to do a quick review on it for you guys, so you all know if it's worth the money or not for yourselves, or even possible, you know, future Christmas gifts. You know, go ahead, keep your loved ones safe and give them something cute at the same time too. But with the Phone Soap 3.0, basically it's a great way to sanitize your phone as well as other items quickly and easily without having to use any topical products. With the Phone Soap 3.0, it's going to cost you around $79 without shipping. The bulbs do have a lifetime warranty on it, so if you're sitting there thinking, dang, she pricey, $79, and then you want me to pay for shipping, you're basically paying for that lifetime warranty along with it. Now, you have multiple ways to charge her. It does come with a charging cord along with it, so there you go. In my opinion, she's rather short, just so you know, so it does make life hard if you're trying to put her on a nightstand and your nightstand is a bit away from like a charging like cord or something like that. But if that's the case, you do have a USB port as well as a USB-C port to charge her as well. Now, when it comes to charging your phone, you would just slip her like right in here. You can charge your phone while you're sanitizing your phone too, because it does give you like this nice little cut opening to have your phone cord hanging from the device too. So when you close it, it still sanitizes your phone as well as letting your phone fully charge, which is a rather nice feature. Now, the only issue I have with the Phone Soap 3.0 is the fact that I do have a phone case on my phone, like most of America, because we can't trust ourselves. And I have the Lumi case on. She's definitely sleeker than what she used to be like, but because I have this like Lumi ring on the back end of this to like keep me from really dropping my phone, when I place my phone in here, it does not close all the way, which kind of defeats the whole purpose of sanitizing your phone, because when I put my phone in there, she don't close all the way. Like the way this thing turns on is based off a magnet. So once this closes all the way, that's when the blue light turns on and sanitizes your phone. So the reality is when I'm using this, I have to literally put something heavy or a weight to get it to close all the way, so that magnet sensor like touches to turn on the sanitizing device. So if you're gonna buy the Phone Soap 3.0, like keep that in mind concerning like what kind of cases you have. Now, there is a Phone Soap Pro. The Pro model of this is $119. You get more bulbs than what's in here. You only get one, top and bottom, but because you do get double the bulbs, you get the sanitizing in half the time. This does it in 10 minutes. The Pro does it in 5, but who really cares? Most of us are probably going to sanitize this stuff overnight. So 10 minutes, 5 minutes, that doesn't really matter to me. What matters to me about this model is the depth. Hunties. Us people in America are clumsy. Like, let's be honest. We love our iPhones. We love our all glass model phones. But guess what? Our model phones stay in the toilet, on the ground, falling in the street, and everything. We do all kinds of crazy stuff with it. So because of that, what do we buy, guys? Go ahead and say it with me. Phone cases. We buy phone cases. So, Phone Soap Keep in mind when you're making models, talk about you want to sanitize some people's phones. You sanitizing phone cases too, because that's my issue with her. She real cute, as you see. She's super sleek compared to any other model you might find out there. I mean, she comes in an array of colors, which is really amazing. So you can really, contour her real nice into your decor and have her sit real cute. If the cord's too short, because like I said, she is, you can use a USB cord or USB-C cord to get a longer cord, to put her on your nightstand so she sits and looks all cute in your background and everything like that, because she gonna blend in so pretty. But guess what? It don't help me none if my phone don't fit. Let me demonstrate. Here is my phone. She has a Lumi case on it because, let's be honest, this girl's black and I need light to be seen. So that's why she's on here. Also, to keep from me from dropping my phone in the toilet and constantly in the street, I have a ring on the back of it so I can slip it onto my finger so I don't drop it. Because of this, it adds some, bulk to my phone, like anyone would think it would. Why Phone Soap didn't think of this? I don't know why. So when I put my phone in here, she don't close all the way, which is not okay in my book, because based off how Phone Soap designed their sanitizing case, it's a magnet that turns it on right here. So if the base don't touch, the top don't touch the base, it ain't gonna turn on, which is rather frustrating in my book because it don't help me none. It just ain't sanitizing nothing. Rona's still getting in there, because she ain't locked through. The only way I could find my way of sanitizing her is if I put a candle on top of her to close her shut. I had to put weight to get it closed. I mean, Phone Soap, I appreciate you making sure you got a little hole right here so I can charge my phone while she's getting sanitized at this very same time. I even appreciate you giving me multiple power options to turn her on during my travels to make sure I can sanitize my phone and my face mask and any other items I might need at that time. That's real cute. I appreciate you even going as far as making this sleek design and giving me multiple color options, because let's be honest, not everybody wants just 3 options out there when it comes to colors. But you failed in depth, because the reality is that most people have phone cases, and if I can't close it for the light to turn on, that does not benefit me none. So because of that, the Phone Soap is a no-go for me. But for you lovely people who don't have bulky phone cases and can easily get yours in there, because my bestie, she don't got all what's going on with my phone, with her phone, so her phone fits beautifully in there. She absolutely loves it. It turns on beautifully for her and sanitizes her phone greatly. Like, she just feels real extra in life knowing that that blue light is hitting all the germs that she may have touched or put on her phone that day, and that she got a fresh phone in just 10 minutes. And when you go back and close it again, obviously, because this time my phone ain't in there, so of course it's gonna work at that point. But when you close it again, take out your item, it does self-clean to keep the inside clean too. So I mean, the concept is great. The model is beautiful. I just wish it was a little deeper to be beneficial for my life, because the reality is I'm not taking my phone out of my phone case to sanitize it every day, because the reality is my phone's gonna go back into my phone case and the case is still gonna be dirty. So exactly. But if you all are interested in this Phone Soap 3.0, I'll definitely link it down there for you below. Or if you know someone who's a germaphobe or just super techie and you don't know what to get them for Christmas, that's an option too, because then you look real bougie for them and giving them something that they'll enjoy but really honestly don't need. Because last I checked, Clorox wipes do the same thing. But that is it for this quick product review. Now, if you want more product reviews in your future, definitely go ahead, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. If you enjoyed this particular video as well, definitely give it a thumbs up. It's greatly appreciated. It warms my heart. And of course, if you have questions, drop them down below, or even just comments, do so, because I enjoy talking to every single one of you all. But as always, I hope you guys have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.